بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Understand Al-Quran the easy way, course 2 grammar Kana with page 2.a. Did you write the full table of the verbs that you studied in the lesson?
Next time, inshallah.
First answer is D, your favorite, I think. Your first answer always is D. Next time, inshallah. I think that is your favorite one.
Okay. So I do some work, but
So in this lesson, we're going to learn the word kana. 422 times were counted in course 1. And this table, you know as well, mashallah, you can do it yourself without me. I mean, with the actions, with action, you can do it yourself. Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altu, fa'altum, fa'alna. And one word is fa'alat, she. You remember? She, fa'alat, she did.
no.
Yaf'alu, he does. Yaf'aluna, taf'alu, af'alu, taf'aluna, naf'alu. And one is taf'alu, she does. Yaf'alu, he does. Taf'alu, she does. If'al, if'al, do it with me. If'al, if'alu.
If'alu.
La taf'al, la taf'alu.
La taf'alu.
Fa'il, maf'ul, fi'l.
Fa'il, maf'ul, fi'l.
MashaAllah. So before we move ahead, big letters, you remember sorry, not I, this is alif, ya and vav. Why? Because a weak or a sick person makes similar sound when he is in pain. So like the person who makes this sound, these words, these three letters also make similar sound. A, ba, ta, e, b, t, u, bu, tu. So a, e, u is similar. And if we have a weak letter in a fi'l, so that is weak verb. Similarly, a person whose hand is sick, I mean there is any injury, so we call him a sick person. He is feeling unwell, and he is not injured. His hand is injured, his leg is injured, but because of his hand or his leg, we call him he is not well. He is weak. Is feeling weakness. Remember two things when you have a weak verb. One, they follow one of these style. Very easy. Fataha, yaftahu, nasara, yansuru, daraba, yadribu, and sami'a, yasma'u. Yes. Weak letters get tired, so they disappear or exchange with one another. All of these chains are there to make it easy for you to say. Just the Arab grammarian make a change, and these weak letters get changed, get tired, just because to make it easy to say, so that we can pronounce them easily, we can say them easily. We have learned weak verbs that start with weak letters such as wa'ada, wahaba, and the weak verbs that have weak letters in the middle, qala, taba, qama. Qala, there is alif in the middle, taba, there is alif in the middle, and qama, there is alif in the middle. Daraba, wa'ada, there is waw, there is waw in starting, in the beginning. Let's take the second most frequently occurring verb in the Quran, that is kana. Kana, ka fatha alif, ka nun fathana. Kana means he was. Kana, he was. Middle letter is weak. And the example is ما كان إبراهيم يهوديا ولا نصرانيا. ما كان إبراهيم. So, yes. So now I think you got it that kana he was. Kana he was. This is the key word of fi'l madi. This is the key word of fi'l madi. So kana he was. Kana he was.
Kana he was.
Kanu they were.
Who there was.
They were. Kunta you were.
Kunta you was.
Kuntu I was.
Kuntu I was.
Kuntum you all were. Kuntum you all were. And kunna we were.
Kunna we were.
Oh, sorry. We did it on a high level. It should be in a low level, not a high level, because this level is for fi'l mudari. This level is for fi'l mudari. The fi'l madi level is this one. Here, 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 like. This one is, this level is the fi'l madi. Okay, now you have to translate. Just one more time. Say it after me. Kana, you have to say 2 times. Kana, kanu.
Kana, kanu.
Kunta, kuntu.
Kunta, kuntu.
No, this is just for one person. Singular, not the plural. Kunta, kuntu.
Kunta, kuntum.
Kuntum, kunna.
Kuntum, kunna.
Now say it yourself with action.
Kana, kanu. Kunta, kuntu. Kuntum, kunna.
Perfect. MashaAllah. Now the question, translation of kuntum. What is the meaning of kuntum?
Kuntum. How we...
You have to choose one.
They were. They were.
4.
They
Yes.
were. You see.
Kuntum.
Kuntum. They were.
Remember, you remember the action? Kuntum.
Kuntum they.
Kuntum they.
Mm-hmm.
This is the action for they. This action is not for they.
Mm-hmm. You all were.
Kuntum.
Kuntum see.
No. This is the wrong. It should be you all were. Because this is kuntum kunna. See? Kuntum you all were. You all were.
Kuntum you all were.
Yes. So B is correct. Here is shown C. That's not correct. Okay, translate. Zaqu wabala. Zaqu wabala. They tested bad consequence. B, they will test the bad consequence. C, they test the bad consequence. And D, he tested the bad consequence.
Yeah.
So, zaqu wabala amrihim. Zaqu wabala.
They test the bad consequence.
MashaAllah. A is correct. Perfect. So, ya'malu, you learned. Ya'malu, he does.
Ya'malu, he
you
does.
have learned it? Yes. Amila, ya'malu. Amila, ya'malu.
Ya'malu, he
Do it.
does.
Ya'malu, ya'maluna with action. Ya'malu, ya'maluna.
Ya'maluna, they does. Ta'amalu, you do. Amalu, I do. Ta'amaluna, you all do. Na'amal, we do.
Okay, kana, he was.
Kana, he was. Kanu, they were.
Now, if we just plus kana, ya'malu, we say both of them.
Kana, ya'malu.
Kana ya'malu, he was doing. Kana ya'malu.
Kana ya'malu, he was
the
doing.
meaning is he was doing. Kanu ya'maluna, they were doing.
Kanu ya'maluna, they was doing.
Kunta ta'malu, you were doing.
كنت تعمل, you was doing.
Kuntu a'malu, I was
كنت
doing.
تعمل, I was doing. كنتم تعملون,
Kuntum ta'maluna, you all were doing.
you all was doing.
Kunna na'malu,
كنا نعمل,
we were doing.
we was doing.
So, spoken Arabic. Now, hal kana ya'malu?
نعم كان يعملون.
Yes, was he doing? Naam kana ya'malu, he was doing. Yes. Hal
Yes,
kanu ya'maluna?
نعم كانوا يعملون. They was
Hal
doing.
kunta ta'malu?
نعم كنت أعمل.
Perfect.
نعم كنت
Hal
أعمل.
kuntum ta'maluna?
نعم كنا نعمل.
Naam, kunna na'malu.
نعم
MashaAllah.
كنا.
Okay. Now question, hal kanu ya'maluna khayra? You remember khayra? Khayra is added here as an object. So, yes. Were they doing something good? Hal kanu ya'maluna khayra?
نعم كانوا يعملون خيرا is B.
This is?
نعم كانوا يعملون خيرا.
نعم كانوا يعملون خيرا.
Yes. It's B.
Oh, perfect answer. Very good. Kana, one of the four style below because it is a three-letter word. So what should we place on kaf to make it easy to say? Kana, yakanu, or kana, yakunu, kana, yakinu, not kaina. Kaina is nothing, not samia. It can't come on the pattern of samia. So they preferred it to set on the pattern of nasara yansuru. So it will come on the pattern of nasara yansuru. Kana yakunu. Nasara yansuru. Kana yakunu. Alif is changed to vav to make it easy. It was kana, it became yakunu.
Yakunu.
So yakunu is a keyword of mudari'. Yakunu is a keyword of mudari'. Okay, now just say it. Yakunu, he is. Yakunu means he is.
Yakunu, he is.
Yakununa, they are. Yakununa, they are. Takunu, you are.
Takunu, you are.
You are. Akunu, I am.
Akunu, I am.
Akunu, I am. Takununa, you all are.
You all are.
Nakunu, we are. Nakunu, we are.
We are.
Yes. So let's say, do it after me. I mean, just repeat it after me 2 times. I'm gonna say it 1 time, and you have to say it after me 2 times. Yakunu, yakununa.
Yakunu, yakununa.
Once again.
Yakunu, yakununa.
Perfect. Takunu, akunu.
Takunu, akunu.
Takununa, nakunu.
Takununa, nakunu. Takununa, nakunu.
Good job, mashallah. Yes. So let's do it once. Kana, kanu, madi.
Kana, kanu.
Kunta, kuntu.
Kunta, kuntu.
Kuntum, kunna.
Kuntum, kunna.
Yes. Kana, he was. Kanu, they were. And yakunu, he is.
Kana,
yakununa.
Kana, he was. Yakunu, he is. Kanu, there was. Yakununa, there was.
They are. Takunu, you are. Akunu, I am.
Yes. Takunu, you are. Akunu, I am.
Takununa, nakunu.
Takununa, you all are. Nakunu, we are.
MashaAllah. Translate into Arabic. Just, yeah. Pay attention. Translate into Arabic. I will be. I will be. You remember, mudari has two meanings. I am and I will be. Present and future.
Yakunu. Oh, I will akunu.
Aha, mashallah. So C is correct. Good answer. Of hal yazuqu. Daqa means to test something. Dhauq means to test something. Daqa, he tested. Yazuqu, he tests or he will test. So hal yazuqu, the answer is
Nam. Nam yajuf. Nam aju. Nam yajuf. Nam.
yes. With action, with action. Naam yazuqu.
Nam yajuf.
MashaAllah. The answer is correct. Okay, translate fatakununa. Select more than one. Fatakununa, because fatakununa is mudari with fa. Fa means does. So then, so takununa is mudari. It should have two meanings. So it should have two meanings.
Fatakununa, then you all will be. A. Then
yes.
You will be. Then you will be. Then they will be. Takununa is A and B. D.
Takununa, this is A and
you. Then you all will be. Then they will be. Then you all are. Then you all were. A and D. A and C. C. Then you will be. A.
okay.
Then you all will be.
MashaAllah. Let's check it.
It's all one.
This is A and C.
Then
C is also there. C is also there. There is some correction. C is also there. Yes.
Okay. Then you all are. That is the answer.
And now Amr, to make Amr, make the last letter silent. Make the last letter silent. So and remove ya. Remove ya. Kana yakunu. So remove ya. It will be kun. Because to make an you have to make the last letter sakin. And you have to make ya, you have to remove ya. So you have removed ya, and you made it sakin, the last letter. It became kun. And when two letters have gathered and they are sakin, so the rule is you have to just remove the weak one. And in kun, the weak one is wow. So you just removed wow. It became kun.
Kun.
Yeah. So weak letter is too weak to take an order. So that's why, because he can't take an order. A weak person, he is not able to take an order. So he should rest. He should take some rest. He is tired. He's because his weakness. So that's why wow is removed. Wow isn't here. It became kun. So kun, kunu. Say it.
Kunu. Be.
Yes. Kunu. Be. You all.
Kunu. Be you all.
Yes. La takun. La takunu.
La takunu. Don't be.
Like la takun. La takun ahmaq. La takun ahmaqan. Yes, la takun ahmaq means don't be a fool. Yes. Spoken Arabic. Kun. Kun. The answer is
kunu. Don't be all.
Kun. Answer is
Kun.
akunu.
Akun.
I will be or I am. Kunu.
Kunu. Nakun.
Nakunu. Spoken Arabic. La takun. La takun. The answer is
La takun. La takun.
La akunu.
La akun. La
La
akun.
takunu.
La takunu. La nakun.
La nakunu. MashaAllah. Translate.
La nakun.
كونوا مع الصادقين. كونوا be مع with الصادقين. Now you have to translate. كونوا مع الصادقين. So the answer is A, be with the one who is true, and be with those who are pious. C, be with those who are patient. D, be with those who are true.
Be with those who.
So this
Oh,
is
you
be with the one who is true, or this is be with those who are pious,
Oh,
and be with those who are patient, and be with those who are true.
Be with those who are true. D.
Great.
Yes.
That's great,
Kunu.
mashallah. Perfect,
Yeah.
perfect. What a great answer. Very good. Kain. Kain means the one who becomes. Kain, the one who
Kain.
becomes.
The
Yes.
one who
So
become.
kaun, to be.
To
Kaun,
be.
to be.
Come to be Islam.
Yes. So mashallah, let's do it. Let's do it. Just with me. You do it with me. Kana, he was.
Kana, he was.
Kanu, they were.
Kana,
Kunta, you
they
were.
was. Kunta, you was.
Kuntu, I was.
Kunta,
Kuntum,
I
you
was.
all were.
You all was.
Kunna, we were.
Kunna, we was.
Kanat, she was.
Kana, she was.
Yakunu, he is.
Yakunu, he is.
Yakununa, they are.
Yakununa, they are.
Takunu, you are.
Yakunu, you are.
Akunu, I am.
Akunu, I am.
Takununa, you are or.
Takununa, you are all.
Nakunu, we are.
Nakunu, we are.
Takunu, she is.
Takunu, she is.
Yes, so kun, kunu, be you all.
Kunu, kunu, kunu.
La takun, don't be, and la takunu, don't be you all.
La takunu, don't be. La takunu, don't be you all.
Kain,
La takunu, la
Kain,
takunu.
the one who becomes. Kain, the one who becomes. Kaun, to be.
Kain, the one who become.
Kain, to be.
Be.
Okay, question. 3 noun keys of kana are 3 noun keys. 3 noun keys, not verb. Noun keys of kana. Yes. Which one is 3 noun keys? A, B, C, D.
It's a not kind of 3 nouns kind of kana.
Yeah, 3 noun keys.
Kain, kana. Yakuna, makin, kana.
You have 3 seconds, 3 count.
Yeah, A.
One more attempt. You have one more attempt. A, there are just 2, not 3.
Okay. So yakunu, makinu, kana. C.
That is C.
Okay, this is yakunu.
Kain, makan, and kaun. Kain, makan, and kaun. Yes, that's perfect. This is not 3 noun key. This is just 2. These are 2 nouns. So it should be C. I mean, I think some corrections are here. We have to correct. Inshallah, we will correct.
No.
So question. Hal hum za'iquna. So the answer should be
هل هم جائفون؟
yes.
نعم هم جائفون. نعم هم جائفون. نعم هم جائفون. B. نعم هم. هم. Letter B.
Yes.
هل هم جائفون؟
هل هم زائفون. Okay, هل هم زائفون. So the answer is?
The answer is B.
B.
B, like baby.
There is B, mashallah, the correct one. نعم هم زائقون. نعم هم زائقون. Yes. Okay, now كان يكون كنت كنت كنتم كنا كانت يكون يكونون تكون أكون تكونون نكون تكون تكون. That is تكون. كن كونوا لا تكن لا تكونوا كائن كون كائن كون.
Con.
Yes. So this is the short one. Let's do it. Kana
Kana.
yakunu
Yakunu.
kun.
Kun.
Kain
Kain.
kon.
Kan.
So workbook grammar 2A weak verb kana. Question 1. Memorize the table for kana truly and answer the following. Translate into Arabic. You all are no. You all are no. Translate into English. In kuntum ta'lamun. Answer with yes. In Arabic. هل كنت تعمل صالحا. هل كنت تعمل صالحا. This is in workbook. You have to do. Question 2. Write full table for the verb dhaqa. He tested, which is similar to kana, and circle the 6 keys. No need to translate the word. No need. Just you have to do, like you have to write full table for the verb dhaqa. It's like dhaqa, dhaqu, dhukta, dhuktu, dhuktum, dhukna. So this is like dhakta, dhaktu, dhaktum, dhakna. And the amr will be dhuk. Yes. So yazuku, yazukuna, tazuku, azuku, tazuku, tazukuna, nazuku. Zaqat, tazuku. Zaqat, she tested, and tazuku, she will test or she tests. You have to write down yourself. You have to write down yourself. The 3 verb keys of dhaqa are zaiq, mazuq, zoq, dhaqa, yazuq, zoq, zaiq, mazaq, dhaqa, zaiq, zoq, dhaqa, yazuq, zoq. Because dhaqa is fi'l madi, yazuq is fi'l mudari, and zoq is fi'l amr. We have learned a class of weak verbs, qala, which have yansuru, nasara, yansuru style, mashallah. So nasara, yansuru, qala, yaqulu, kana, yakunu, zaqa, yazuqu, and all. And let's revise the weak verbs that we learned so far. Allah will give. It is a promise. Fataha, wahaba, qala, wa'ada. So fataha, nasara, daraba are the patterns, are the 4 styles of the verbs. And wahaba, qala, wa'ada. Wahaba, there is a weak letter in the beginning. In qala, there is a weak letter in the middle. And in wa'ada, again, there is waw, a weak letter in the beginning. So wahaba, wa'ada, Allah will give. It's a promise. Qala, zada, in fact, he said, he will give you more. Da'ahada, therefore pray to him for guidance. Alhamdulillah. So 7 types of homework: 2 on tilawa, 5 minutes from mushaf, 5 minutes from memory, and 2 on history, book, vocab, pocket book. Listen to 1 hour size, MP3 on word forward translation, grammar, talk about the course, recite different surahs in salah. Be a teacher. Yes, teach yourself, teach your friends, teach your colleagues, and teach anyone who can you teach. Yes, whom you can. The best way to learn is to teach. Download the PPTs and start teaching, mashallah. Teachers training available at understandquran.com. So soon you will be a teacher, inshallah. May Allah help us to recite, understand,
Amen.
ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Amin ya Rabb. Subhanakallahumma bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. May Allah Almighty accept it from both of us. Alhamdulillah.
ونتوب إليك.
Yes, very good.